welcome back to the class. My name is Kausalya. We've been solving problems based on perimeter and area. We've seen problems based on rectangle, triangle, circles, square, trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus. In today's episode, we shall continue to solve problems based on circles. Today I got a question which has appeared in the Bank PO exam in the year 2007. Let us see the question. The radius of a circle is 20% more than the height of a right angle triangle. The base of a triangle is 36 centimeter. If the area of the triangle and the circle are equal, what will be the area of the circle? We got 5 options here. Option A 72 centimeter square, option B 128 centimeter square, option C 144 centimeter square, option D 216 centimeter square, and option E cannot be determined. Let us first try to understand the question. There are two things here. One is a circle and the other one is a right angled triangle. The radius of a circle is 20% more than the height of right angle triangle. Here, this is the radius. In this case, this will be the height. So, let's just call it as ABC. So, AB is the height. They say that radius is 20% more than h. 20% more than the height. So this I can write it as r is equal to 1.2h. This is 1h, this is 0.2h. So this becomes 1.2h. The base of a triangle is 36 centimeter. So if this is the triangle, BC will be the base. So this is 36 centimeter. If the area of triangle and the circle are equal, what will be the area of a circle? Here we have the condition that area of triangle and circle are equal. We know that area of circle is pi r square, and they mention that this is equal to area of triangle, which is half into base is BC, that is 36 centimeter, into height, so h. These two are equal is what they've mentioned. Now in this equation we can replace the value of r with 1.2h. So let us substitute the value. Pi into r is 1.2h square, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 36 into h. Here 2 18s, 36. So this can be written as 1.2 square will be 1.44 h square, and we also have pi here, that is equal to 18h. So let us bring 18h this side. So pi 1.44 h square minus 18h is equal to 0. Here we can take h as common. So if I take h common, we will be left with 1.44 pi h minus 18 is equal to 0. Here either h is equal to 0 or 1.44 pi h minus 18 is equal to 0. H cannot be 0. So let us consider this value. So here what we can do, h is equal to 18 divided by 1.44 pi. We have to find out the area of the circle, but we don't have r value here. However, in the question they also mentioned the area of the circle is equal to the area of the right angle triangle. So let us find the area of the right angle triangle, because we do have height here, which is 18 divided by 1.44 into h. So this is 1 by 2 into base, which is 36, into height. So here this goes 18 times. So this is 18h, right? So 18 into h is 18 divided by 1.44 pi, and pi I can write it as 22 by 7. So this in turn can be written as 18 into 18 into 7 divided by 1.44 into 22. When you actually solve this, you get answer 71.60 centimeter square. In the options, you don't have 71.60, but we have a very close answer which is 72 centimeter square. So option A will be the right answer. A wire can be bent in the form of a circle of radius 56 centimeter. If it is bent in the form of a square, then its area will be, and we got 4 options: 3520 centimeter square, 6400 centimeter square, 7744 centimeter square, 8800 centimeter square. This question has appeared in RRB exam in the year 2002. So let's see how to solve this. There is a wire which is being bent to make it a circle with a radius of 56 centimeter. We know that circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, which is 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 56 centimeters. So 7 8 56. So this, when you multiply it, 8 to 16, 8 to 16, 16 plus 1 is 17. So 2 6 12, 2 7s 14 plus 1 15, 2 1s 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So 352 centimeter is the circumference of this circle. Now this is the circumference of a circle. The same wire is bent to make a square. So here in the square, all the sides are equal, right? So this is A is equal to 352 divided by 4. So this is 4 8s 32, 4 8s 32, 88 centimeter is one side. That is A. And we know that area of the square is A square, that is 88 square. And 88 square, 88 64. So option C, 7744 centimeter square, will be the right answer. Let us see the next question. If the wheel of the engine of 4 2 by 7 meters is in circumference makes 7 revolutions in 4 seconds, then the speed in kilometer per hour of the train is option A 27, option B 28, option C 29, option D 30. And this question has appeared in GBO exam in the year 2007. If this is the circumference of a circle, we have this value which is 4 2 by 7, which means here in the denominator it is 7. 7 4 is 28, 28 plus 2 is 30. 30 by 7 is the 7 meter is the circumference. If the wheel of the engine of 30 by 7 meter in circumference makes 7 revolutions in 4 seconds, which means distance covered in 1 revolution will be 30 by 7 meter. Similarly, distance covered in 7 revolution will be 30 by 7 into 7. So that is 30 meter. Therefore, the speed of the wheel will be 30 meters per 4 seconds. because it is mentioned here, it takes 4 seconds for 7 revolutions. So this is 30 meter per 4 seconds. Now this has to be converted in kilometer per hour. So to convert this into kilometer, what we do? We multiply it by 1 divided by 1000, because 1000 meter will be 1 kilometer, right? Divided by 4. This is in seconds and we have to convert it into hour. So 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So we can write it as 1 divided by 3600. So what happens to this? 30 into this 3600 goes up in the numerator, divided by 4 into 1000. Here 2 zeros gets cancelled, 1 zero get cancelled, 4 nines 36, 9 threes 27 kilometer per hour. So here option A, 27 is the right answer. The circumference of the front and rear wheels of a bicycle are 3.5 meter and 3 meters respectively. If the vehicle is moving at a speed of 15 meter per second, the shortest time in which both the wheels will make a whole number of turns is 1.4 seconds, 2.1 seconds, 4 seconds, 6.4 seconds. This question has appeared in RRB exam in the year 2008. Let us see how to solve this. We have a front wheel, we have a rear wheel, and we are given the circumference of these two wheels. For front wheel it is 3.5 meters and for back wheel it is 3 meters. In one revolution, the front wheel covers 3.5 meters. In one revolution, the rear wheel will cover 3 meters. Here there is a decimal point, right? So let us convert this into centimeter. So 3.5 into 100, this will be 350 centimeter. This is 3 meters into 100. So this will be 300 centimeter. Now let us take LCM of these two, 350 and 300. So if I take 5 70 times, 5 60 times, then by 10 it is 7 times and 6 times. 5 6 30, 30 into 7 210, into 10 will be 2100 centimeter. Now this is the shortest distance covered by both the wheels by taking the complete revolutions. If it is 2100 centimeter, then it is 21 meter. This is the distance. Now we have the distance which is 21 meter and we have the speed given in the question which is 15 meter per second. We also know how to calculate time, that is distance divided by speed, that is 21 divided by 15. So this will be 1.4 seconds. So option A, 1.4 second is the right answer. So friends, in today's episode we have solved a few problems based on perimeter and area, wherein we solved the problems on circles. I hope you have all understood it well. If you have any doubts, please do send me a WhatsApp message or put it down on the comment box. If you have liked the video, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will come back to you with more interesting questions in the coming episodes. Until then, keep watching us. Happy practice, happy maths.